on me. Diamonds that
YouTube, what's going on? And we're back with another video. And today I'm stoked because my Wickerbill has finally arrived. It's finally here, people. Now I can put my ZL1 stock spoiler on with the Wickerbill. So without further ado, let's crack this bad boy open and let's see what we're working with. Yes, sir. It's going to be kind of hard to open this with one hand. All right, guys, so we finally got it unboxed and this is what we're looking like. Man, that is sick. Look at the detail on this Wickerbill. As you can see, I have this Decepticon emblem on my vehicle, like almost everywhere. Don't mind my ashy hands, but the detail in this is crazy, man. It's crazy. So how it's gonna work is pretty much, it'll just fit right over this. Line up the holes, you know. And then this is my new wicker. And it's gonna go on this spoiler right here, which is my ZL1 factory spoiler that I kept mentioning to you guys. Hopefully I can get this put on today. We'll see. And I'll record the installation for you guys. And man, this is gonna be epic. I cannot wait to see how the Berserker will look with this on there. All I'm gonna say is the Berserker already looks insane. So just imagine how it's gonna look with this wider spoiler and wider Wickerbill. So I'll see you guys later on today in the evening. So what's going on YouTube? And we're back. So I'm on my way to my boy Steve's house so we can install the Wickerbill. As you can see in the trunk back here, there's the Wickerbill and the spoiler. So I got about a 20-minute drive to his house, so I don't want to take you guys on this long, boring ride with me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera off, and the next time that I turn the camera on, we'll be at his house, just getting ready to install the spoiler and the Wickerbill. All right, guys, I'm back. Like I told you in the car, I will be at Steve's house. I'm here, and we're about to get it started. All right, so quick update, guys. We got the spoiler off. As you can see, all the little gunk here. We're just gonna leave the gunk on. We're getting the ZL1 spoiler prep, and we're gonna add that on. But this car looks ugly as shit without a spoiler. Just look how ugly that shit looks. It's hideous. All right, so we got the ZL1 bumper. We got that on there. It's pretty straight. Let me clean this lens off. So there we go. We got the ZL1 bumper on there. Spoiler. I don't know why I keep saying bumper. But it's looking decent. We just gotta tighten everything down. And then once we get that all tightened down, we'll put the wicker, which is in the trunk. We'll go ahead and get that attached. And then once all that's complete, I'll give you guys a before and after of my old one and my new one, so you guys can compare the two and see the major differences. YouTube. All right, so what's good? So I just figured I'd come and give you guys a few updates from my last video clip. So what happened was we were having a lot of difficulties with this Wickerbill. So my boy went out and bought a rivet gun, which obviously was the wrong rivet gun because we only got 2 holes in my spoiler. Right here, we have this one in, and then we have this one in. We couldn't get this one because it fucked up. Excuse my language, it messed up. So pretty much on top of that being the rivet gun not being the correct rivet gun, we messed up all of my rivet nuts. So in that whole process, my boy had to order a new rivet gun, which that took about 2 weeks. 2 weeks. As you can tell from the beginning of the video, my beard was a little bit shorter. So that took 2 weeks. Then when it came in, it was broke. So now he has to order a new one. And like I told you guys a few minutes ago, we tore up all the rivet nuts. So I had to order a few more of those. That took about a week. So with all that being said, tomorrow, which is Monday the 2nd or the 3rd, we should have the Wickerbill complete, because his rivet gun comes in on Monday. I go back to work Monday, and by the time I get off, he should be here and we should get started on this project. Speaking of me going back to work Monday, you know, with all this COVID-19, that is the only reason you see me sitting here with this beard. But tomorrow, I go back to work and I have to cut it off, so you can say bye-bye to the beard. It was starting to grow on me. All right, but I'm gonna show you guys how far we came since the last time when I was at Steve's house in the last video clip that you seen. Give me a second. All right, so like I was saying, we got this rivet nut in somehow. We got this one in somehow. But when it came down to putting this one in, we messed it up. And this is one of the old rivet nuts that we jacked up. See, it's all dented up. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's dented up. So it wouldn't really squeeze in there. So I had to come and order some new ones, which these are the new ones right here. And this is the actual Wickerbill. This is how it'll look. Well, you know, all I have to do once we put it on is peel this off and peel this off. But as you can see, everybody knows that's me right there. Berserker. That is my signature. So there it is right there, Berserker Camaro. Everybody know that's me. That's my signature. You know what I mean? Only Camaro with that out here. So hopefully Monday we'll get all this stuff, you know, put on, and this thing will look freaking amazing. So I just figured I'd come on here and give you guys a quick update, because it's been weeks since I've been to Steve's house and we started working on this project. So hopefully Monday we'll get everything done, get everything taken care of, and yeah, it'll just be looking great. But here's a quick little, I can't really do a walk around because I'm in my garage and it's kind of tight in here. Another thing, I did get new tires. I don't know if I want to make that a new video or if I just want to mention it now. I'll go ahead and mention it now and show you guys, because I remember in my last video, I was telling you guys for the rear, I'm going to get 305s, which that is what I got. Come on, focus. 305 3020s. I told you guys I was getting it. And then for the front, I went with 275s 30. Let me find where it's at. Oh, it's way down here. So for the front, it's down here, but you guys probably won't be able to see it. 275 30 20. Told you guys I was getting it. And I got it because I like the way, hold on, let me focus. I got it because I like the stance that it gives the car now. My old tires are over there, which I could not stand. The 275 40 20s did not look good on my car. I guess it was because of the brand, Delante. It didn't look good. But like I told you guys, these are the Nitto NT555 G2s. I love those tires. They're sticky and hey, they move out. You know what I mean? But back to what I was saying. So tomorrow on Monday, we should have everything complete, and then I'll finish up the video, give you guys all the angles of what it will look like, and I'll try to post a picture of my old Wickerbill and then the new one, so you guys can see the major differences between the two. YouTube, and we're back again. So I got some exciting news. So I told you guys Monday I'll be getting the Wickerbill completed, but actually got it put on today. So without further ado, let's get to it. Hold on. Oh yeah, there it is, baby. There it is. It's a lot wider than my old one was, like I was telling you guys. It's a lot wider. Whole lot wider. Look at how far it sticks off of the fender right there. Whew. Oh yeah, I know that's me. Follow the IG, follow the IG. This thing is sick. Let's do a complete walk around. Too much sunlight. Definitely too much sunlight. But you guys see it. Ooh, that stance right there is a bad mother. Berserker is coming together real nice, real nice. So I told you guys I would get the tires. That would be my next mod, which I got them. Boom. Got the Wickerbill on. So I'm thinking for my very next mod for the exterior, I'm thinking about getting a rear diffuser next. Because as you can see, you know what I mean? Everything on the car looks wide. The wide front splitter, the wide side skirts, the Wickerbill makes it stick out more. And now I have this plain diffuser, as you guys can see. So I'm definitely gonna order diffuser next. So let me come back here and give y'all another look. Look at that thing, boy, that thing looks stupid. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a new diffuser. So stay tuned for that. So the next model will be the diffuser. And I'm thinking about getting different lights. Well, not different lights. I should say the color lights that light the different colors from Lighting Trends. I got a sponsorship I have a sponsorship with them for 25% off. I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to use that here soon. And then I have the color changing lights, you know. So that'll be it for the exterior. You know what I mean? So if you guys can think of any other mods that you would like to see me do to the Berserker, let me know down below in the comment section. And I already know you guys are finna jump me and say, get on your performance work. Trust me, it's coming soon. This is May. My birthday is next month in June. I got a big surprise. I ain't even gonna keep y'all waiting. I'm gonna just give it away right now. Most likely, I'm getting my headers. I'm going to get the headers. Definitely gonna come and get the headers. Car already sounds nice with the little work that I have on it with the exhaust. But once those headers get on there, man, this is a work of art. If you guys, I'm gonna have to show before and after pictures when I bought the car and where it looks like and what it looks like now. I have done so much work to this car, it's unbelievable. You would think these are two different vehicles. Two different vehicles. Shit. That was a great idea going with the 305s in the back and the 275s up front. Really set it off. Give me that stance I was looking for. But this Wicker is so sick. Jesus. Look at that thing. Man, that thing is crazy. So the major differences between this one and the other ones, like I said, mainly is the spoiler. The SS spoiler stopped right here on the body line. This one comes off of the car body line a little bit. So, and that Wickerbill is just a lot thicker and wider. It looks a lot longer too, compared to my old one. Try to get some more angles of this thing. Try to get some more angles of this thing. If you notice, this piece right here is touching the car. I love it. Oh my God, I love that. Yes, I love it. Can't get enough. Look, oh my, look how it looks from the back. That right there is just ridiculous. Ridiculous. So that's all I got for this video, guys. Like I said earlier, if you have anything you would like for me to do to the Camaro or to the Berserker, let me know down in the comment section. If you have any questions about this Wickerbill, leave me comments down below. We had such a headache putting together this Wickerbill. When it comes down to it, basically you just need the correct tools. Get the right rivet gun, which we did not have. So we finally got that in, and once we got that in and we started putting the ribbon nuts in, everything went like this. The process went so dang quick, it was unbelievable. So make sure you have the right tools if you're ever going to get a Wickerbill and put one on your Camaro. Or if you want this Wickerbill, I will leave the link in the description down below to where I got this from. I got it from 3D Engineering. That's my guy. He's up in California. I'll leave my discount code down below as well, so you can get 15% off on your purchase. So, like I said earlier, anything you guys would like for me to do on the Berserker, please let me know down below. And let me know down below what you guys think of the Wickerbill. If you like this one better than my previous one. If you don't know what my previous one looked like, please go back and look at my previous videos and you will see my previous Wickerbill. I mean, pretty much it had the same thing in the middle, my Instagram name with the Decepticon emblems, but this one looks way better in my opinion. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. That's all I got. If you like the content that I put out, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me good feedback, bad feedback. Any feedback is good feedback, as I always say. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.